wanted to make a point about the guy that spoke about the risk of leaving.
Yes.
What's going on there?
Across the M1 with the blindfold on.
Yes. I was in the wrong bloody lane, that's why.
When you're supposed to leave or remain.
What are you doing? You moron!
Coming up at 6 on LBC, Nigel Farage. MPs will vote later on.
You're on that red light, mate.
General election, but should.
Like already Microsoft is doing that. Sounds like basically their Windows experience and whatever their new Scarlet experience is going to be. It's probably going to be about the same.
You're gonna pay $15 a month to get your whole life. Plus,
wrong lane, mate.
Come later on, you buy those obviously up front.
Oh, screw. How the hell did she get her license? Here's your mirrors.
Sorry, I couldn't see you there. You're okay. We're not sure where we are.
I mean, no one's. I just scratch my head in disbelief. You know, I don't want to go over to whatever.
Nice Jaguar.
He's going to be like. Not that I don't care, but you just sort of want to
Whoa! What the f are you doing? Get back! You stupid bitch! Oh my god!
Where are you supposed to stop? Give way.
That's me. Yeah, there is a... You seeing that? See what he did?
What?
He went like that towards your car, like coming at you.
Hand-drawn drawings, and I had like a full-on breathing breakdown of everything. Oh! What the f***? What the f***?
Will no longer be able to operate in the European Union the way it does.
Nice.
One final point is, above and beyond the
I don't want to be in your traffic jam. I'm going to make up my own lane.
I have been in and around the right time.
Money online, all my niggas coming making money. Make money on time. Shawty wanna fuck, but I don't time. When I make a in the field, you kinda run out.
Red light for you as well.
Will you stop for the red light? Will you shut?
That was properly red, that was. That wasn't even like a little bit on the...
No, it was full on red, and he's managed to get about, what, 100 yards up the road and then got stuck behind another light.
Yeah.
Nice bike wear, leathers, etc., mate. If you come off that, you won't want to have your knees. You know. That. Hope you did.
Listen for free as part of your
It can't
30-day trial.
go round bus lane.
For 30 days renews automatically unless cancelled.
Get some lights! Lights!
What lane are you in, mate? What are you doing? What lane? Where are you? You're all over the shop.
Entering average speed check zone.
Got a death wish you have. Idiot. Too right.